Let's work off these Christmas pounds and get creative. Welcome to the farm. Today, our furry and feathered friends are trying to learn something new. Let's see what they can do. The Chicken Dance Challenge. Watch as our clever chicken learns to groove to the beat. Next up, Piggy Picasso. Who knew pigs could be artists? Let's see what masterpieces our pig creates. Now the Sheila the counting sheep. Our sheep are learning to count. Perfect for a bedtime story. Moving Luna the cow meditation. Join our cow as she finds her inner peace with some yoga. Look at Gus the goat fetch. Who says goats can't play fetch? Watch this little guy go. So lovely to watch the synchronized swimming ducks. Graceful and adorable, these ducks are ready for the Olympics. Now the star Holly the show jumping horse. Our horse is taking on new challenges, one jump at a time. Cleo the cat climbing academy. Watch as our kitty masters the art of tree climbing. Donnie the musical donkey. This donkey is ready to start a band. Can you hear the tunes? Clara the chicken loves teamwork on the farm. Together, they'll put on a spectacular show of their new talents. Thanks for joining us on this fun learning adventure. Which animal's new skill was your favorite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more farm fun.